The relationships we have with customers on local support is massive. And I think that's where I've kind of looked at local support as the kind of hidden gem of Enable.
Can you introduce yourself in your role for?
Yes, Zac, Senior Supoort Engineer at Enable on the local support team. I started a work experience when I left school because Joe offered that to me, and then straight after work experience I did an apprentice, and then this is my first job and I've been here ever since. I started on sugar help desk. I've kind of done a bit of everything. I then moved to projects, then back to sugar help desk, then to sales, and then to local support. I feel like that's actually helped me as well because I get an idea of how the business works in each department. So on local support, you're kind of doing a bit of everything at the same time. Like you're selling, you're sorting out projects, things you sell, and then you're doing cases. So it's helped me a lot because it makes me do a bit of everything. So basic terms, we do IT and VoIP. They are the main two aspects of local support. So IT could be anything from your laptop in the corner of the room, or a server, or a network, so like a router to do the whole building. And then the VoIP side of things is just the telephone system. So it could be for an office, it could be for franchises all over the UK, it could be for anything really. But I feel like that's just the product. In terms of what we do, is we are a small business and we tend to help other businesses. So we will look at the business as a whole and then see how we can help them specifically. We don't just sell a product and say, on you go. We understand their business, build that relationship so that we can provide them with a solution that will help them. And if we can't, we're open and honest. We say we can't. We'll look at helping you get another solution that will help you. So I think at the end of the day, it's about that business to business relationship. So we go and have the site visit. Face-to-face is always best. We'd scope out your business, understand what you have on site, what PCs, the way you work, etc. And then we'd come back, speak to the team here at Enable, get everyone involved, infrastructure, sales, projects, devs, and then we'd give you a solution that we think will best fit. I think just honesty. If someone was to say, hey, look, this is my business, these are all the cards on the table, we've got everything we need to kind of look at the business and say, hey, you could use this. We're not saying we're going to change your whole business. We're saying if we look at your business and what you use, we can suggest a solution. And even with VoIP, you can trial VoIP, for example. You can trial these things. You don't need to go straight into it. You can trial it, see how it goes. If it fits, then go ahead with the live. Easy, the phone. Give us a call. That's something we also really enjoy at Enable, is the phones. Well, I've seen it a lot in local support where we do internet services. So customer will call BT, they'll be on hold for hours and hours, whereas with Enable, you give us a call, we understand, we speak to the team here, give you a call back, get it fixed. Yeah, they could email us, support at enable.services. It'll create a ticket and then you'll get a response back pretty much instantly. We're pretty on it with getting back with at least, hey, your ticket has been raised. All cases are kind of like, you'll get a response back within half an hour to an hour. I feel like we're in a great place. The relationships we have with customers on local support is massive. We've created customer success stories like Smart Aim Solutions, and I think that's where I've kind of looked at local support as the kind of hidden gem of Enable.